This is IPOB in Aba, and this is what the army did to us yesterday in Onitsha. We are heading to Shiri for a burial of the father of one of our brother. The father died, and the army got us on the road. They started beating us. They started doing all manner of treatment to us, and this is what they did to us. This is exactly, look at our brother's face. Look at our brother's face. He was brutalized by Nigerian Army. Combined team, including DSS, was there live and direct. They were beating, humiliating us, pressing us to say that we are not Biafrans. But we told them that we are Biafran. After they beat us, after they do all manner of things to us, they said that they are deporting us back, that we should show them ID card. We are telling them we are in Biafra land. They saw that Igbo State is not Biafra. But we made them to know that Igbo State is Biafra, including this, our brother, our daddy, an old man like this, the Hausa Fulani soldier. We are beating him as if he's just doing training. This is exactly what happened. They beat our people. They humiliated us. They forced us to say that we are not Biafran, but we told them that we are Biafran. So we are heading to Igbo State, and this thing happened at a place called Onitsha. We are heading for a burial, and this thing happened. Look at our brother's head. He was brutalized, and we were arrested. By the help of Chukwu Kikabiama, he comes out freely. By the help of Ishago people. Ishago, we are great. Ishago is, in fact, they are brother indeed. We are videoing this thing so that the whole world will see what they are doing to our people. If you are heading to Igbo State, this is what Devil Mai commanded them to be doing. This is what Devil Mai is commanding us to be doing. They are forcing us to say that we are not Biafran. We tell them that we are Biafran. We tell them that we are Biafran. And we must fight to the end. Freedom is taken not by giving. Freedom is taken not by giving. And we must continue. This is IPOB in Aba. We didn't do anything. We were just seeking for our freedom. I just name on Rubeman Nabalosa. You can see the body of our brother. Yeah, we have Hajima Fambel to Mama. Even to the extent they brought in knife, and they forced us to agree that we were fighting with it. We didn't come for war. We were only going for a burial. And this thing happened. This our brother was critically injured, including inside. On today that we are videoing this video, we want the whole world to see. Amnesty International, Human Rights International should watch this. Let them ask the people what happened at Igbo State.